If Steam is refusing to update, showing corrupt update files, or getting stuck on downloads, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes that usually solve the problem without needing to reinstall everything. This is a simple step-by-step guide you can follow on Windows to get Steam updating properly again. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's fix it. The first thing you should do is clear the Steam download cache. This is one of the most effective fixes, because cached data can sometimes become corrupted and interfere with downloads and updates. To do that, open Steam, then click on Steam in the top left corner and go to Settings. In the Settings menu, select Downloads. Once you're on the Downloads page, look for the option that says Clear Download Cache. Click that, and Steam will prompt you to restart. Confirm it, let Steam close and reopen, and then try your update again. If that doesn't solve it, the next step is to repair your Steam library folder. Sometimes the issue is not the download itself, but the library location where Steam is trying to write the files. To do this, go back into Steam Settings, then open Storage. You'll see your drive or library listed there. Click the three dots next to the drive and choose Repair Library Folder. Steam will check the library for problems and attempt to fix them automatically. This can take a little time, so let it finish before testing the update again. Another very useful fix is verifying the integrity of the game files. If the update error is happening on a specific game, damaged or missing files may be the cause. In your Steam library, right-click the game that is having problems and select Properties. Then go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation and replace anything that is broken or incomplete. When that process is done, go back and see if the game updates normally. If you're still seeing the Steam update error, try changing your download region. Sometimes the server you're connected to is having issues, or it may simply be overloaded. To change it, open Steam Settings again, go back to Downloads and find Download Region. Click the dropdown and choose a different region. Usually, picking a nearby region works best, but if you still have issues, you can also try another server in your country. After changing it, restart Steam if needed and test the update once more. The final fix is to run Steam as an administrator. This gives Steam the permissions it may need to write update files correctly. First, fully close Steam. Then find the Steam shortcut or Steam application, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Once Steam opens with admin access, try downloading or updating the game again and see if the problem is resolved. Most of the time, one of these 5 steps will fix Steam update errors, especially if you are dealing with corrupt update files or stuck downloads. If the first fix doesn't work, just move down the list one by one until the issue clears up. And if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.